So today we're going to talk about an after-school program that helps kids thrive. And let's explore what makes this program so different. Imagine a world where learning is as exciting as your favorite detective story. Welcome to the Curious Creators Club, where we make this a reality. What makes this so different? Well, it's simple. This program focuses on making problem solving fun. Kids really enjoy it because it's about learning through curiosity, activating critical and creative thinking. It really embraces the idea of teamwork by using hands-on activities. So really, this program is a blend of mystery and discovery. Here's the best way I can describe it. Think about Scooby-Doo and think about Blue's Clues. Now combine them. And it really creates this fun after-school program for kids about 5 to 10. It's so fun, and really the kids become investigators. We give them the permission to think, create, solve problems, boosting self-confidence, self-esteem. That's really what this program does. Ultimately, this program gives kids the permission to be the hero of their own story. The mission is to transform after-school learning into thrilling adventures, making education fun and impactful. If you are an after-school program coordinator, or if you're a parent and you really want to enrich your child's creative and critical thinking skills, this is the program for you. So check us out, CuriousCreatorsClub.com. See you in the next video.